You are still young, but you play like a veteran, man.
Yeah, thank you. It's a great thing that we won. It was a really hard game against Poland. Has a great team and it is a great win.
How do you feel when you hear from everywhere, this is the number one in Europe, this is the future of European basketball?
Yeah, I feel great, but I am not supposed to listen that stuff. I need to work hard every day to be better in the future.
This season you will play against 5 guys from Poland in your league in Spain. Today Mateusz Ponitka was unstoppable almost.
Yeah, he's a great player. He now signed in Spanish league. I think he can do everything. Like I say, he can rebound. He's not center, but he can rebound. He can do everything. He moves really good without the ball.